Here at Lucid, we encourage our employees to learn and develop constantly. We strive to have the best workforce in the world, so we prioritize professional development through easy-to-use training resources and employee workshops. No matter the size of your company, providing learning resources for employee development programs can be a lot of work. So our HR teams use Lucid products to simplify people development and training. Here are a couple examples of what that can look like. Using Lucidspark, our HR team creates a learning program guideline. In this example, they have developed a program titled Leading at Lucid. This guideline contains all the information employees need to get a clear understanding of the program, from high-level overviews to important learning goals and objectives. Participants can see previous class recordings, submit and view attendance, and get to know their fellow cohort members right inside the Lucidspark board, making the program interactive and engaging. HR team members can easily make updates and changes as needed, while employees get instant access to all the right resources in one central spot. Another example is this career development template that our HR teams provide employees. With this template, they easily record goals, track career progress, and visualize a plan for success. Our HR team invests heavily into learning and development. Having a place to brainstorm, ideate, and implement immersive learning experiences is a recipe for success. Using Lucid products makes it easy to scale and support our employees' growth and development.